Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Apple Store billing problem. If you're using any iPhone and you're having any App Store or Apple Store billing problems, let's see how can you fix the issue. So you just have to open up your settings and here just scroll down until you find screen time, select that. Then scroll down and you'll find the option of content and privacy restrictions. You have to select that. Then select app installation and purchases. Then select in-app purchase and you have to select allow from here. Once you have selected allow, so it will almost fix your issue, or if you're still having the same issue, open your app store, then tap on your profile in the top right corner, tap on your Apple ID or name, and here you will get the option of country or region. You can easily select that from here. You have to make sure that you have selected the country or region in which you are living, and then you have to select the manage payments option, and here you have to add your payment method, or if you already your payment method added here, so you have to try to re-add. So you have to delete your previous payment method and then you can easily re-add the old one or new one here. Once you have re-added, so it will not give you any issues. So in this way you can easily fix if you're having an issue that your app store problem. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.